Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update your 5G gateway firmware, and note the current speed test numbers so you have a baseline. Once done, move the gateway to a bright window, elevated and clear of large metal or microwave interference, because line of sight and minimal obstruction matter. Then, run a speed test at 2 different times of day and save results. This shows whether congestion or signal variation is the limiter. You now focus on signal quality. Physically adjust external antennas in small steps, 15-degree increments, while monitoring signal strength and SNR, because tiny orientation changes lift throughput. Once done, reduce cable runs and use low-loss coax or mount the gateway where cable loss is minimal. Long, cheap cables degrade wave and mid-band performance. Also toggle 5G preferred modes. Make sure to test LTE fallback to understand whether carrier aggregation or band steering is working for you. You finish by optimizing the local network. Enable CoS to prioritize critical devices, set separate SSIDs for 2, 4 GHz and 5 GHz, and pick less crowded Wi-Fi channels, because internal Wi-Fi bottlenecks often mimic poor 5G. Once done, enable WPA3 if supported for efficiency and stability, then run another set of speed tests. If speeds remain low, collect logs and contact the provider. One key troubleshooting tip: try a carrier-approved signal booster or external antenna kit before swapping hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.